Christians believe in the second advent of Jesus, son of Mary. I understand that Muslims also believe in the second advent of Jesus, son of Mary.
Right.
How do you explain that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, whom you believe to be the promised Messiah, when he is not Jesus, son of Mary?
I can explain. I can explain in the terms of the understanding of the divine word by Jesus, son of Mary himself. He should be the last authority, last word on this issue. When it was demanded from him to produce Elijah or Elijah, the prophet of God who had ascended to heaven sitting on his fiery chariot, to have come again before the coming of Christ. What was the answer? He pointed at John the Baptist, not pointing his finger directly at his body, he was not there, but pointing at him in meaning. He said, he is the Elijah. Now here, not Elijah, but the Elijah, which you are expecting. Believe it or not, it's up to you. So he was not named Elijah. His name was John. He was son of Zechariah, not born of the same parents as Elijah of old was born. All names differed. The prophecy apparently, and in fact rather very clearly depicted of the physical bodily reappearance of Elijah from the heaven. So how would you rate the decision of Jesus Christ in this regard? Will he be taken to be right in declaring that John the Baptist, despite no commonality between him and the earlier Elijah, was right when he passed this judgment? If you say, yes, he was right, then by the same judgment, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad of Qadian is proved to be right. Because then the meaning is that the recoming of such people who have a definite parenthood, definite name, definite occupation in time of history, when they are promised to come again, they never come again bodily. They always come in the form of, in spirit, in character, in teaching, in style.